So good morning, sir. For today's video, we will present the 70% progress of our prototype. So here, as you can see, ito yung first video namin, which is 30% pa lang siya. So dito, sa 30%, may scroll action na siya and the loading animation. So ang dinagdag namin dito is yung bagong loading animation namin and the other list of order, which is the pizza, chicken, and the dessert. So, after that, sa baba naman, yan yung dessert namin. So, sa baba, may categories dyan, which is sa profile, pinagyan na rin namin ng laman. Pintutilin mo, pinutin mo. Which is yan, dyan makikita yung account. And yan, yung account ng user. And then, sa more naman, pakita mo yung more. Diyan makikita yung shipping address, payment method, the currency, language, and at yung mga iba pang kailangan ng isang users. Sige, next.
Ako naman na. The next is yung order, yung kung paano mag-order sa namin, website namin. Ang i-order ko dito is the double patty cheeseburger, which is nandito na. And then we're gonna check out like this. Then may orders. Lahat yan, na-order na siya. Then the next
yan yung receipt niya.
And the next one is the search, which is ganito lang. Ang gusto ko is dessert. Gusto ko pang magkaroon ng dessert. So, magsa-search lang ako dito. Then, i-search ko dito is cheesecake, which is pipindutin ko yung C. Then, we're gonna click this. And yan na. Magkakaroon na siya ng cheesecake medium green. Yan. Then, we're gonna check out. Place order. Then, my order. Then, ito na siya. Then, the next one is kung gusto ko nang dagdagan pa ng isa pa na o-orderin ko like pizza, ganun. So, we're gonna add some. Good. Gonna add some order. O kaya ganun na lang. Which is ito. Yan, then hindi ko pa pala naayos yun. Yun lang yung naidagdag ko namin, sir. Which is yun yung 70% ng aming
70% progress.
O, ikaw na. Mag-explain.
Explain mo yung mga ginamit mo dyan na animation tapos interactions.
Ang ginamit ko
same din lang ba? Scroll?
Oo, ganun din lang. Tsaka karamihan dito is tap.
Okay. Yun lang interaction niya.
May mga kulang pang tip na kailangan ilagay. This is
which is sa 100% na yun, diba? 70 pa lang naman yan.
Oo. May kulang pang
So, yun lang?
Oo, yun lang.
So, that's all. Let's end our presentation. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.